The new government is appealing to the public to offer assistance in light of the recent earthquake disaster in Christchurch. The 7.4 magnitude earthquake that hit Christchurch at a depth of 5 kilometres is described as the most significant to hit New Zealand since the 7.8 magnitude Hawke's Bay earthquake in 1931. The Community Affairs Department have been tasked to collect any donations towards the Christchurch earthquake appeal. With such disasters, we're also reminded of the generosity shown towards us following Cyclone Heta, and this is a chance to return that kindness. Radio Sunshine will also be holding a radiothon appeal tomorrow morning from 10 a.m. onwards. And those are our news stories that we have for you tonight. We do hope that you'll be able to join us again for our next news bulletin next week. And also, we'd like to wish all the teams taking part in the second Sevens tournament this weekend all the best. Si bena do tola te valatar tu tupu ni ko mo mai ke whakpulo atu ai ke hawhewhne, amna ki ni ke liriu ke matuta ke pehene ke whaitap ka hau, amna ki whoki ke mnui na lo tōli tum takau ni ko amna ke whatako ke tau whewa he whitu ke huki o whaitap ni hangaut kei ke mawhale ta whewa ia. Nono wha moe mnui ni o ke whaitapu moe mnui ni pō.